Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, what have we here? Oh, we've got some Havarti cheese. We've got a pasture-raised egg. We go fresh sliced tomato. This is some sourdough bread. A little mayo and salt and pepper. Hey everybody, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Today it's another simple recipe. This is my simple fried egg on tomato and melted cheese toast. Sounds like a mouthful, but it's going to be a mouthful of deliciousness and fast, simple, and easy to make. I've got a whole bunch of simple fried egg recipes on toast that, like I said, they're very, very easy to make. But boy, if you're craving an egg and want to do something fast and delicious, check this baby out. Meet you at the stove. All right, we've got a medium pan, and we're going to put some butter. All right, that's in a good spot. Put that egg in. That's beautiful. Let us put a little pepper on there. I'm not using the fresh cracked pepper. I like using this sometimes. What I like to do now is put that down just a little. Let's clean this up a little, make that a little more, yeah, that's how you want it. There. Take these pieces away. All right, how's this guy doing? I think this guy is ready for a flip. I'm going to put that on low. We're going to give this guy a flip. Actually, we're going to shut it off, take it off the heat. Let's go put the rest of this baby together. All right, that's toasted. Mayo down. Oh, this is going to be killer. 2 slices of tomato, down. 2 slices of Havarti cheese, down. Now we're going to melt this cheese, and I'll meet you back here in a second. All right, that cheese is melted. There's the egg. A little pepper. Just a little salt. All right, let's bust into this baby. Oh, there's the yolk going all over. Look at that. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. There it is, Mike's latest simple recipe. This one is egg on tomato and melted cheese. Oh, look at that yolk. These are some new eggs I found. They're gorgeous. Oh. If you've never had the taste of fried egg tomato with a little mayo and a little cheese, you got to try this. That is absolutely delicious. Oh, it's killer diller. Oh. And it's simple to make. These are new eggs. I think they're called Happy Eggs. Pasture raised, but delicious. Oh. For more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. Check out all my simple recipes and recipes about hundreds and hundreds of other things. About life, food, you name it. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
For this recipe, don't be crucial. These are things that must be explained, must be explained, must be explained. For those who know. Wow. Man, oh shevets. That was a pickle, a baba, a sweet little baby babu. And you get into the napkin situation. That is it. Look at that thing. This is the orangiest yolk. Orangiest. Orangiest. Look it up. Google it. Orangiest. It's got to be in this thing. Can't get enough of it, Bubba. There's a good chance it was the mayo. There's